All right, so let's take a look at this Milwaukee 13-in-1 screwdriver. It comes with all these tips, has a limited lifetime warranty, and it has the Phillips 1 and 2, square 1 and 2, 3/16 and quarter flat, ECX 1 and 2 quarters, 5/16, 3/8 and 1/2 driver, model 4822, 2880. So if you're looking for a versatile screwdriver for electrical work or just DIY, this is an excellent option. Now, it has a fantastic rubber grip. It's got the little label on the top so you can see which screwdriver it is. And honestly, I've been using the Square 1 and the ECX for my outlets. Definitely a fantastic option, much better than the Phillips that you most of the time strip them anyway. So if you have this type of outlet that has, you know, the square in the middle or the ECX, excellent option. So Square 1 gives you really good grip, so you're not going to strip the actual, you know, bolts. Also for these little ones here, they're very soft. As you can see, this one's already a little bit stripped. I took this one out just to kind of like use it as a sample. So you do have great option. Okay, you do have Square 1, you have Square 2. All right, you can use these for some of your breakers, you know, your breaker neutral line. And, you know, obviously make sure there's no electricity on the breaker box. If not, you have to use, you know, high voltage screwdrivers. You got your quarter driver, 5/16. And like I mentioned, this is kind of like my favorite, ECX 1 and 2. Good for the bigger ones, like the, you know, breaker box cover bolts. And with this thing, you're not going to miss a beat. Really good grip. You could probably strip the threads if, you know, if I tighten it really hard. And you could also get to these little guys right here, so you will never strip them again. Okay, fantastic. Really love this ECX option. So if you want to have a nice solid screwdriver, this is a great way to go. And you have your Phillips, which most of the time you are going to strip these bolts right here. All right. You have your Phillips 2 and your flat. All right. And you have your 5/16, and this is your 3/8 driver. Another option is your 1/2 inch. And you, for me, I like to sometimes remove the toilet tanks. They come with these long bolts. So reaching under the tank, it's kind of like a pain. And I have to sometimes use it, and I forget to bring my socket set. And if you need a little extra leverage, you could just put your, you know, wrench on it, or use it with a regular, you know, 1/2 inch bolt. All right, very versatile. Really love this screwdriver. I use it all the time. It's my go-to screwdriver for, you know, all my needs. All right, just to show you an example, this is square number 2, and you are going to get fantastic grip. I mean, the grip is just phenomenal. Kind of hard to see, but definitely excellent. Now, if you try to do that with a Phillips, all you're going to do is just, you know, strip it. And you could also use ECX 2, I believe. Another way of getting a fantastic grip. Okay. Excellent. I mean, if you're going to be working, obviously, with you know, life power, I would definitely recommend, you know, using high voltage screwdrivers, or completely turning off the power if you have that option.